If you want to make your Google Chrome browser as a default browser for your Windows, then try the 3 steps I have shown in this video. The process is very simple and easy. At the very first method, you can open your Google Chrome, then go to settings from here. Here in the default browser, you can make Google Chrome the default browser. Click on it and then set default. Okay, now your Google Chrome is a default browser for your PC. Also, you can set your Google Chrome as a default browser for all the web formats. To do that, click on it and you can select Google. Then click on set default. By this way, you can set your Google Chrome as a default for all the web formats. After then, here you will see Google Chrome is your default browser. Okay, in the second method, go to settings. Here in the apps, go to default apps. You can search Google Chrome. And here you can see Google Chrome. After then, you can do the same thing as I have shown in the first method. Simply click on set default and do this for all the web formats. In the last method, you can apply this for all the Windows version. At first, open your Chrome. Whenever your Chrome is not your default browser, then it will show a banner. At the top will say Chrome is not your default browser. If you see this, then you can click on set as default and follow the screen instructions. That's it. This is very simple and automatic. Also, if you face any issues, kindly comment below and I'll try to help you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you.